Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make DIY lotion bars, so let's get on to the video. First you want to put some boiled water into a bowl. Now that the boiled water is in the bowl, put in a bowl with coconut oil in it into this bowl. Stir until the coconut oil is mixed. Once your coconut oil is mixed and melted, add in your scent. I am using peppermint, but of course you could use anything that could scent. Okay, now just mix in your scent. Okay, now you just want to put in your oil into a silicone mold, and I am using a cupcake holder. So I will just pour it into the mold. Now you need to refrigerate this for 30 minutes. Okay, it has been in the refrigerator for around 30 minutes, and I am just going to pop it out. Here is my lotion bar. It is thick, but of course you don't have to make it thick. You can just make multiple ones. Okay, for step-by-step instructions, you can go check out my website, and I will leave the link down in the description below. Bye. Have a wonderful day.